Hello there. Sometimes you're not able to get to the place you want. Like me today, I missed the ferry back home from Denmark. And if you can't get to a place, there's a way to do pair programming with... Well, originally pair programming is two people on one machine. But sometimes you are not able to meet with the people directly. Especially during the last circumstances, a lot of people work remotely, or me today. I was not able to catch my ferry, so I'm not at the place where I expected to be. Remote pair programming is a good opportunity to work together with somebody who is not at the same place. There are some technical support for it, like you don't need just user screen sharing, modern IDEs like Visual Studio or IntelliJ support direct pair programming inside the IDE. On the 24th of February, there's your chance to learn pair programming, which means not only work together with another somebody else, with another person, together on one project and learn from each other. It also means to learn the basics about pair programming, which techniques to use, like TDD, like the driver navigator principle, and to try it in one-on-one real actual pair programming with somebody you do not know before, or with somebody you bring with you to the meetup. It's 24th of February. It's gonna be virtual in Zoom, and you are welcome to join. Organized from PHP Group Copenhagen. So the main program language is going to be PHP, of course. It is even a good opportunity if you're not that much into PHP and want to extend your knowledge, or external things like design patterns, test-driven development, clean code, or maybe learn the new PHP 8 features. So, see you on 24th of February. We're gonna do this meetup at 2000, so you can finish your usual day before, finish your work, bring your children to bed if you need, and just come online from any place you like. You just need a laptop and internet connection to do it. See you there.